So Mike is flying in with the candy cane, and I'm gonna go and show you guys how this Tiger Tug works. This is how we move the helicopter in and out of the hangar.
Helicopter 5 Hotel Mike's 1 mile right base, 17 Stellar.
Oh, she's looking at that. Hi, darling.
Hi, welcome back.
Well, thank you.
So the best way to line it up is from pretty far back. So you'll notice that Magic Mike is way behind the helicopter, because it's pretty important to get it lined up exactly straight. He's made it hard for himself because he landed on the yellow line, but not perfectly. What we have found with the Tiger Tug is that because there's this antenna up front, show you on the Bell505, this antenna right there is in a really bad spot for most of these tugs. And so is the wire strike kit. So now these just line up right here with the cross tubes. We have pop-out floats on ours, so we're cognizant of these lines here. Do a visual inspection, make sure they're all lined up properly. And then lift the helicopter. Then you just take your little doggy for a walk. But you can also drive it from the golf cart. The beauty of having the remote control is being able to walk around and watch all sides.
Are we in? Where?
Yep, we're in. You just turn off the remote control, turn that off, and we'll plug it in. And good to go. Need my other hand for that. That's it, that's the Tiger Tug. Super simple.